This is Chris Grant at Midway Auto RV, here to show you one of our brand new campers. It's the 303 mid bunk from Sportsman. Right here you have your outdoor storage compartments. One of the upgrades on here is magnetic latches. What's nice about that, if you've ever had a camper before and you have those little plastic clips, they break a lot. There's nothing to break here, it's just magnetic. Super convenient. If you look right in there, you have a ton of storage, big enough for medium-sized totes and whatever you need to bring camping with you. Continuing on over here, you can see here it's an all-season camper with the climate package. You have the insulated underbelly, inducted heating in the floor to keep everything moving and everything thawed out for you. Come on inside. So the mid-bunk floor plans are becoming very popular. As you can see in the back, most bunkhouses, they take up a lot of space. Back here would usually be the bunks here. You have a ton of counter space in your rear kitchen. You have a 3-burner stove top, along with the new ovens that will actually light themselves. You don't have to put your head in there and light it up and hope you don't burn your eyebrows off. It'll light just like the burners on the top of the stove. We have a ton of storage in this camper. Huge pantry here, as well as all the cabinets up above the kitchen counter there. If we move this way, you'll see the Thomas Paine furniture, super plush, super comfortable. Now this is a tri-fold sofa, so just in this regular area you can sleep up to 4 people. The dinette turns into a bed as well as the sofa. Right here you have flat screen TV with a sound bar. You have indoor and outdoor sound system, and you can change the zones here. So whether you're outside under the awning and want to listen to it out there on your camping chairs, or if you're inside wanting to listen to your radio or the TV, you're all set up there. Right here is my favorite part of the camper. This is the mid-bunk room. Inside here, we have either a couch here that will jackknife down into a bed. You can mount a TV on the wall here. Also, you can bring the bunk down, so you can have a lot more privacy here. Put your kids in the room here. They can have their own TV. There's plugs for all of their gaming consoles or whatever they want to plug in. So you have a lot more privacy in this camper. Going upstairs here, you'll see the touchscreen command system here. This is how you turn on all your lights. This is how you put in and out your awning, as well as your slides. Super convenient, super easy to use, super user friendly. Up here, you'll see a nice wide open bathroom with a corner shower with the skylight above it. So for your tall guys, you'll still fit inside there. And for you bigger guys, the shower is huge, so anybody can be comfortable in there. Right through here, you'll see the master suite, a full queen bed. It's not a camper queen like some that you'll see. This is a full queen, so if you get a new queen mattress, something that you really want, it'll fit right in there. Something I really like about this camper is you have your plug-ins here for your phone. You have USB ports on one side, regular plugs on the other side. Enough space for your cell phone to sit there. Ton of storage here for clothes, cabinetry, and then you can also walk right into the bathroom. So this provides a lot more privacy when you do have kids here. You can keep this door closed. They can walk through the other door and keep you separated while they go to the restroom at night or whenever they want to. So it keeps everyone separated. All right, thanks for watching this walkthrough with us. Please come out here to Midway Auto RV, where we have the best selection, the best financing, and the friendliest salespeople. Come and check it out. We have whatever you guys need, and we're happy to help you.